Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Hollister promo codes in 2025. So in order to do it, you first need to open your web browser and first you need to search for hollistercode.com, and then you need to simply come to the official website of Hollister. Now over here on the home page, you will see if there is any currently sale going on, or if there is any deals or coupon codes available, like this one where you can get 50% off. It is limited time deal that is currently working. It is all clearance sale that is going on at Hollister Co. So over here you need to make sure that you come over here and check if there is any uh, sale is going on, or whether you can find your favorite items at discounted price here or not. In the second method, you just have to simply open a new tab and search for Hollister promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will find this website, that is coupons.com. You can directly come to this website, or if you want to check for another one, you can definitely go ahead and do so with the help of this list. Now once you are on coupons.com, you just have to simply click on the deal in which you are interested in order to activate it, and then you can just go to the store. But before it, you need to make sure that you click on the terms and conditions and read it, in which you can get discount for 20%, and it is for new and existing customers. So you need to go to the store. Since the deal is activated, you just have to simply make your purchase, and it will show you the discounted price at the time of checkout. So this is how you can find best working promo codes for Hollister. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.